Sorry I'm late. Traffic.
So how's work?
Let's just say I'm glad it's Friday. How are you?
Never been better. It's kind of ironic, isn't it?
What is?
Well, this is where we had our first date. Remember?
Oh, right. Ray, I am really, really sorry.
You don't have to say it.
Look, I never meant for any of this to happen.
I never thought that this day would come. I really thought we had something special, you know? Excuse me.
Hi, Mr. Lee. Welcome. Can I get you boys anything to start off with right away?
Yes, Sammy, darling. 5 beers and some tea, please.
5 beers. Right away, sir.
Hurry up, baby. What the hell are you looking at? Why don't you mind your own business, punk?
Can't we give this another try?
Why don't you sit down and drink with us, baby?
Do you mind?
What's wrong? Come on, baby. You know you like it.
Fuck you, Jimmy.
Mr. Lee, fellas, what a surprise. Hi. Did you guys need anything else? Food, girls?
Cut the crap. Where's my payments?
I need more time, sir. I mean, I'm sorry I'm a little...
You have 2 days. Otherwise.
2 days? Well, sir, that's impossible. Oh!
Like I said, you got 2 days. No one.
Jimmy!
Ray, what are you doing?
Didn't you just see that?
But what are you gonna do about it?
You asshole! You're not supposed to hit him!
Just doing my job, baby.
Are you okay? Oh my god. Let's go. What an asshole.
Ray, look, I know you're upset. Just don't do anything stupid.
I'm not mad, okay?
Well, look at you, beautiful.
Ah, baby. What's your name?
Leave us alone. Come again? I said.
Wait, just ignore them.
Be cool now. Just listen to what your lady says.
See what you drinking, huh, babe? A little bit too bitter for my taste, but I bet you taste real good.
Do you know who we are?
Not so fast, huh?
That was a mistake.
Leave him alone! Ray, you okay?
He's a big boy, can take care of himself.
What do you want from us?
Just your company, baby.
Oh, I'll take a step back.
No.
Now! So you haven't had enough yet, huh?
Get in there!
Oh my gosh, Ray. Are you okay? Hurry, let's just get out of here.
Hey, you!
I don't think so, asshole.
You looking for this?
You got a lot of nerves coming back here.
Look, guys, I don't want any more trouble, so you know what? Just keep the phone.
So, did you think you could just beat up my men and get away clean?
What do you want from me?
Well, son, I'm gonna teach you a lesson you'll never forget.
Boss. Are you sure?
Please, please, Mr. Lee. No more fighting. You're scaring away my customers.
Oh, don't worry. This'll be over pretty quick. So do you think she bought it?
I think she bought it, man.
Oh, she better have.
How about these shades, man? They make me look gangster.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, totally completes the look, man. You got the whole outfit on and everything, man.
Oh,
you guys are all badass.
It's so real out there. You know, you guys all did great. I owe you guys a lot.
You sure owe us.
But you know, yeah, the lady's waiting outside for me, so you know, I gotta head out, fellas.
All right.
See you
Catch
later.
you all later.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Good luck, Ray.
Yeah.
Sorry, baby.
Dude, you look like a real gangster, man.
Yeah.
I know what you doing.
man.
What do we do now?
So hungry.
Let's go play poker.